Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Hyundai i20 Active, stock reference number 4934. This shape runs from the 7th month 2010 through to the 12th month 2015. It has a G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the left front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 14-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, power mirror fold type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.